Hello again, everyone. It's Vince Forer from TradingWinds.com, and this is our update for September 18th, 2019. Let's take a quick look at today's markets. We did see, or finally, I should say, we did get that decision on interest rates from the Fed. It came out at 2 p.m. Eastern today, and they did, in fact, give the market exactly what they had been expecting. They cut by 25 basis points. Now, initially, we got a sell-off on that news, but then we got a late day rally and stocks closed flat for the most part. The Dow was higher by 36 points. The S&P 500 finished higher by just 1 point. The NASDAQ was down 8.5, and the Russell 2000 was lower by almost 10 points. The bond market did trade higher today, and the yield on the 10-year note finishing off at 1.792%. Crude oil selling down $1.26 or 2.12%, but this was on an announcement by the Trump administration that they are placing additional sanctions on Iran. Gold fell 12.5 points or 0.83%. This after a strong rally in the U.S. dollar on the news of that Fed rate cut. So the Fed has cut rates by a quarter point. Question is, what will they do going forward? In their statement, it seems like Fed officials are divided on whether or not they need future rate cuts. So, that leaves the market guessing some more. For now, from a technical perspective here, based on the late day rally, looks like we could be making a move off to new highs once again. If we fail to do that, though, obviously, we have this potential head and shoulders pattern that is still possible here to confirm. So right now it's a wait and see. We've got that event out of the way. Hopefully, we'll get a bit more action than what we've seen over the last few days. So let's look forward to see where we finish off the week and then reassess. That's about it for now. Enjoy the rest of your day, and we'll see you on our next update.